Greetings everyone, welcome back to Eastern Post. As education is the pillar of our society, in this venture of education, the Sanskriti Public School, which is located in 4th Mile, Bosi Didum, Pasighat East Siang District, in collaboration with Kidzi for the kindergarten and aligned with the regulatory norms and guidelines of the National Education Policy, is here to promote the ideas of schooling for the primary years. Not just schooling, but to foster holistic growth and academic excellence for the students for a bright future, and also to acknowledge the society in greater context. So this is Bompi Zedo reporting for Eastern Post. We are here to give you the glimpses of how education should be nurtured in today's society. Meanwhile, we will showcase you the inaugural function of this school. So be with us to see what this school provides at its best.
It is an honor and a privilege to stand before you today on this auspicious occasion, the official inauguration of Sanskriti Public School. This day marks the culmination of many months of planning, hard work, and dedication. It is with immense pride and joy that we open our doors to a future filled with hope, possibilities, and opportunities. By the Vision Future Trust, let us look at the educational scenario in our state. We have only a few credible private schools in our state, like BKV and RK Mission. Depending solely on certain private schools, like BKV and RK Mission, may not be ideal as they cannot cater to all the people of the state. There is a need for interventions in the educational sector. More institutions standing for quality education is the need of the times. Vision Future Trust is committed to advancing educational initiatives in the state. Our mission is to create a transformative impact on the educational landscape, ensuring that children have access to quality learning opportunities. Here at Sanskriti Public School, we aim to provide quality education to the local population of East Siang and neighboring districts. Our school is more than just a building. It is a community. We are dedicated to fostering a sense of belonging and pride among our students, staff, and parents. We encourage open communication, collaboration, and active participation from all stakeholders.
Local initiatives are required. Local person need to be strengthened. They know the dynamics of the area, and that will help. I am happy that the Sanskriti Public School is a such initiative, and the vision and mission is required. Need to empower, capacity building for the teachers are required. If that is where they will be able to do best for the local populace. Make it as simple as possible. I am sure all of you have gone through it. We have very clearly said nurturing roots and empowering wings. That is going to be our vision. And what exactly that? The nurturing root means providing a solid grounding for a fundamental knowledge and skills our students should have. Teaching values, ethics and sense of identity. Creating a stable supportive environment where students find secure and connected. Instilling a sense of heritage, culture and tradition to help and shape their identity.
जीवन शुरुआत होते समय उसको जो जीवन मूल्य बचपन में दी जाती है वो उनके जीवन भर रहते हैं। इसलिए ऐसे स्कूलों का महत्व एक अलग होता है। जो स्कूल केवल लिटरेसी सिखाता है, एबीसीडी सिखाता है या हिंदी के लेटर सिखाता है, उसके बावजूद थोड़ा आगे जाके अगर उनको जीवन मूल्य, जैसा सर बोल रहे थे, ये मूल्यों का आधार एक मानव, सुंदर मानव कैसा बने, इसका एक ध्यान में रखते हुए उसको एजुकेशन दिया जाए तो मेरे ख्याल से वो एजुकेशन परिपूर्ण एजुकेशन हो जाएगा। नहीं तो हम लिटरेट करेंगे परंतु मूल्य नहीं रहेंगे।
Here in this Sanskriti Public School, the vision which is highlighted, that is connecting to the roots, that is very much important. Without connecting to the roots, the existence of a personality is very shaky. I am very much sure that this school recruited very passionate teachers. That is very much important. For a school, getting children, that is not a challenge, but getting and associating with the passionate teachers, that is very, very important. That will shape up the future generation of our nation.
We know, as a tribal mother and the father of our region, we know how our children are moving away from the mainstream of education, why our children are not being able to compete with the other states, why our children are less in IAS officers or IPS office, why they are not in the distinguished high post. It is because we know our kids have the quality, and they really have. They are very good in sports, they are very good in academic, they are very good in language, they are good in arts, they are good in culture, dancing, singing. But the way we mold them as a parent and as a teachers. So the maximum role of bringing that change in our state is the schools, and it's very good. If a small district has around 6-7 private schools, and these schools are working on the children, and that is the reason we get some good results in some districts. Otherwise, the children are just lacking behind. Growing and learning together is the vision of all of us, parents, teachers, students, and all the dignitaries and all the collaborations, all the educators. If we have the same goal of setting the best education for our kids, then I believe we will reach the goal.
Our kids are still young right now, but when the child grows up, there's so many battles that they have to fight. Imagine a school, a sanskar-based school, Indic knowledge-based education, Indic knowledge traditional education, which empowers a child right from very young age how to bring about that inner transformation, so that when you grow big, you are ready to face the challenges of the life and not run away from it. So that is what basically every school, and I'm sure we are going to work very closely with a Sanskriti school as well, if given the opportunity. This is what we will focus on to build a character of a child through inner transformation. I'll not take much of your time. Thank you so much.
There are competitions among the schools, but above all, there is cooperations among the schools also. Wherever the child is, whether he studies in Bangalore or Delhi or Kerala, whichever part of the country, they will study, whichever school. But above all, they all are the citizens of this India, and they are going to work for the future of this motherland. And that's what we are all here. We have gathered here, and my blessings to the children, my best wishes to the school organization, and from my side I am saying that whatever the collaborations and cooperations it will be required for the school, we are here to always be with this Sanskriti school.
The name of the school is Sanskriti Public School, thus giving the sanskars, the required sanskars and value education to the students, and then imparting modern education for the development of the children, all-round development of the children. And this will go a long way. It's a sort of trend setting in Arunachal Pradesh. Other schools will look forward to it and try to compete it, because it's also a competition. So it's a very, very good initiative. I appreciate all those who are behind this initiative.
आने वाले समय के अंदर एक नया आयाम जो ये स्कूल स्थापित आज हुआ है, इनॉग्रेट हुआ है, ये करेगा। और सभी बच्चों के जो फॉर्मेटिव ईयर्स होते हैं उसकी शुरुआत आज यहाँ पर होगी। बच्चों को क्वालिटी एजुकेशन की महत्ता हमारी साइड मैडम ने बताई, वो अच्छा काम कर रही है हमारे ज़िले में। ये स्कूल एक बेंचमार्क सेटअप करेगा दूसरे ज़िलों के लिए, और अरुणाचल प्रदेश की जो एजुकेशन की क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन का स्टेटस है उसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए मदद करेगा।
तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आरती मैडम को थैंक यू देना चाहते हैं, बीइंग एमएलए पासीघाट। हमारा एरिया में आप इतना बड़े स्कूल आज इनोवेशन किया है, इसलिए हमारा तरफ से और पासीघाट वासियों की तरफ से मैं मैडम को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। और मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग में कोई भी एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन ये बिल्डिंग और नाम से नहीं चलेगा, सब उसका बैकबोन तो होगा टीचर लोग अच्छा नहीं होगा तो स्कूल जितना भी नाम होगा सर वो स्कूल नहीं चले होगा। इसलिए मैडम लोग और टीचर लोग को अच्छा पढ़ाई हमें सिखाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ये स्कूल ऐसे नाम होगा लेकिन स्टूडेंट बाद में नहीं होगा। इसलिए टीचर लोग अच्छा टीचर हमें होना चाहिए।
This Sanskriti Public School, it is a wonderful initiative, and may I tell all my deputy commissioners and the CEO sir, Pasighat is half of Eastern Arunachal Pradesh education. We have a 3 university here, 8 colleges, and then BKV schools, KV schools, and so many. And then there are also private schools. But there are something missing in whole of the process. We need a school of this grade, foundation grade, a very, very good schools that is a mission. And also, I think we need a schools from 1 to class 12, very, very good schools that reputations in the throughout the state and in the nations together. Because we have so many schools, but the quality of education is questionable. I personally feel as a deputy commissioner that the responsibilities come to us, come to all education officers and the teachers.
जो संस्कृति नाम है वो अपने आप में एक मूल्यों की बात करती है। जो स्कूल का जो इन्होंने नाम किया, जैसे ही मुझे बताया गया कि हम लोगों के यहाँ पर संस्कृति स्कूल का शुरुआत होनी है, तो उसी दिन पता नहीं क्यों एक मन में विचार आया और तुरंत मैं बहुत जल्दी हाँ नहीं बोलता हूँ, लेकिन जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि इस प्रकार की सोच के साथ हमने स्कूल को शुरुआत करनी है, तो तुरंत मेरे मुँह से आया कि जबकि मैं 10 दिन पहले ही यहाँ विजिट करके गया हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी आना था। वही मैं अपेक्षा करता हूँ कि जो संस्कृति का भाव है, जो संस्कार है, वो आज पासीघाट से सीमित न होकर अलग अलग दिशाओं में, अलग अलग जिलों में ये बढ़े। संस्कृति स्कूल तभी हमारे लिए, और ये संस्कृति शब्द है, तभी हमारे लिए एक अनुभव के रूप में, एक याद के रूप में और एक विचार के रूप में आगे बढ़ेगी जब वो संस्कृति घर में पहुंचेगी, और जो घर की संस्कृति है वो हमारी स्कूल में आएगी। इसलिए सफाई को लेकर, पर्यावरण को लेकर जो चुनौतियां हैं, जो यहाँ की जो मनोदशा है, वो अगर बदली तो मुझे लगता है कि हम इस संस्कृति के नाम को भी सार्थक करेंगे, उस संस्कार को भी सार्थक करेंगे और उस व्यवस्था को भी हम लोग आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
First of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event and resounding success. I would like to express my hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Sri Pawan Kumar Sen, Chief Electoral Commissioner, Arunachal Pradesh, who spared his time from busy schedule to grace this occasion. Today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, sir, and this will surely be going to encourage us. Also, sir, we are soon going to work on your suggestion and implement it as soon as possible.
Firstly, welcome to Pasighat and Eastern Post.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir, it's very fortunate that you have arrived here for such kind of event. Thank you so much, sir, for that. And sir, as Arunachal Pradesh is gradually coping up with rest of the metropolitan cities, no? Especially like almost in every sector, but in terms of education. And sir, in terms of education regarding to this school, sir, as this school's name Sanskrit also it goes back to the root. So what do you have to say about this school and what message would you like to convey to the public of Pasighat?
Sanskriti is again achar, is vichar, is soch. You know, it's a thought if you are inculcating good behavior in your own system. So it is not about only kids, which I addressed in my speech also, that the kids should go home and then they should learn some good values. These teachers should learn from these kids. So this is not a one-way thinking. It's a two-way. It's everything. Everybody is learning from each other. So that should be the motto for this school, and this should be environment-friendly school. So I told them that if every child has their own, they do plantation, and then there should be a library. There should be an academy for sports activities also. So it's an overall development.
We can see a very new thing that has arrived in East Siang district, specifically Pasighat. There is the Adi language. They have included Adi language, and also there will be seats for the Divyang. Sir, what do you have to say on that?
No, as I mentioned, it is overall development. So when I am saying that kids are going and learning from the from their parents, their grandparents, that means they should learn the culture also. It's about the local language, local culture. Everything should be part of our curricular academy. And as NEP has also suggested, national our education policy also talking about all those values. So any school, I'm not talking about this school, I'm talking about all the schools. They should also focus on the local culture and learn the roots.
सर, सबसे पहले यहाँ पे आज संस्कृति पब्लिक स्कूल इनॉग्रेशन किया गया है, which is a kind of first time in East Siang district that we have seen that जहाँ पे आदि लैंग्वेज भी ये स्कूल में प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा एंड दिव्यांग स्टूडेंट्स लोग के लिए भी यहाँ पे सीट्स रखा जाएगा. तो सर ऐसा प्रोविजंस, ऐसा नया चीज़ देखने को मिल रहा है पासीघाट में, तो आप उसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेगा एंड पब्लिक लोग को भी ये स्कूल के बारे में सर आप क्या बोलना चाहेगा?
ये पब्लिक लोग को तो हम तो पासीघाट का ये जितना पब्लिक है उन लोग को रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं एक बार आके स्कूल को देख लीजिएगा. ये बहुत ही अच्छा स्कूल है और मैं यहाँ का जो डायरेक्टर है आरती जोंके को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ. ये हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी का अंदर में उसने ये स्कूल को इस्टेब्लिशमेंट किया है, इसलिए हमारा तरफ से और हमारा पासीघाट वासियों की तरफ से ये जोंके मैडम को हम लोग थैंक यू देना चाहते हैं. और ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. आदि लैंग्वेज भी हमें पढ़ाया जाएगा और जो सही ढंग से पढ़ नहीं सीखने वाला स्टूडेंट लोग को भी हमें शायद पढ़ाएगा बोल के सुना है, इसलिए मैं बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है और आज ये प्रोग्राम को अटेंड करके हम बहुत अच्छा लगा है। थैंक यू
सर। आज आप यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम देखने आया ना, यहाँ पे पहली बार खोला है संस्कृति पब्लिक स्कूल ना, जो कि प्री स्कूल भी है अप टू टिल ग्रेड 3 ना, जो कि किड्जी का साथ कोलैबोरेशन में। तो सर ये स्कूल को लेके आप जो आपको कैसा लगा? फंक्शन में देखा, उसका विजन बताया, करिकुलम बताया स्कूल का बारे में, तो कैसे लगा?
आज यहाँ में फर्स्ट टाइम हम कोई भी मतलब एजुकेशन जो इंस्टीट्यूट का एजुकेशन हुआ है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी हैव सीन दैट पॉलिटिशियन मिनिस्टर सबको बुलाता है, बट दिस टाइम आई हैव सीन दैट द ऑर्गेनाइजर ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम उन लोग ने पूरा IAS ऑफिसर लोग को ही बुलाया है, चीफ गेस्ट भी, एंड देयर वर मोर देन 4 DC डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिश्नर, डिप्टी कमिश्नर। सो उसको देखा जाए तो उन लोग वेल प्लान मतलब अच्छा से बहुत वो किया है, मैंने एजुकेशन को बहुत अच्छा तरीक़ा से उन लोग ऑनर करके स्कूल का स्टूडेंट के लिए कैसे करना है वो उन लोग ने अच्छा से ध्यान देके ये किया है।
यहाँ का स्कूल का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, टीचिंग फैकल्टीज, एवरीथिंग को देखा आपने, तो स्कूल को आप यहाँ पे आके सब पेरेंट्स कैसा लगा?
नहीं देखिए, यहाँ में बहुत अच्छा माहौल लगा है और एक्चुअल में स्कूल का नाम भी इन्होंने दिया है संस्कृति पब्लिक स्कूल, तो जो कि आजकल जो युवा पीढ़ी हमारे कल्चर को ऑलमोस्ट भूल चुकी है, विलुप्त हो चुकी है अपनी हमारी जो संस्कृति है। कोई भी भाषा ले लीजिए, उसमें ट्राइबल्स हो या नीचे की कोई भी भाषा हो, क्योंकि सबकी हमारी अपनी अपनी संस्कृति है और आज के बच्चे लोग गुमराह होकर उसको भूल चुके हैं। तो अगर ये संस्कृति अभी एटमॉस्फेयर इस टाइप का है तो आज बच्चे लोगों का स्कूल में ओनली स्कूल जाने का मतलब आजकल क्या हो गया कि बहुत किताबें पढ़ना, जबकि ये नहीं होना चाहिए। किताबी ज्ञान सर्वोपरि नहीं होता है, क्योंकि घर में बच्चा जब बड़ा होता है, माँ बाप उनके जो गार्जियन होते हैं स्कूल में आके, मेरा मानना यह है कि बच्चे लोगों को शुरू से ही संस्कार के साथ में, शिक्षा के साथ में दीक्षित होना ज़रूरी है।
So in the report, as you have seen, numbers of intellectuals have arrived from different parts of Arunachal Pradesh to attend the inaugural function of the Sanskriti Public School. The Sanskriti Public School, its mission and vision is to provide roots and wings to the students. And also the name itself goes back to the culture of India. So likewise, this school provides not just education but also culture tradition to the students, which also includes the Adi language, which is one of the unique thing that is implemented in Pasighat East Siang district. This is Bompi Zirdo signing out with cameraman Gamun Nokar.